Did you know we have 106 different species of trees on the Plymouth State University campus?
This is the Dawn redwood, also known as a living fossil because it was around during the time of the dinosaurs.
The tree almost went extinct, but in the 1940s, a small pocket was found in southeast China, and it has since been revived due to its ornamental value.
This is the Nuka cypress. It is native to Alaska, and a recent study in 2020 found that a compound called nucatone is effective in repelling mosquito and tick bites.
The tree is actually endangered due to climate change in the U.S.
Hi, this here is a sugar maple tree. It's at the heart of campus. This is the tree that most people can easily identify with its red, beautiful leaves in the fall. It is also the source of maple sap. So it's where we get our maple syrup. It has gorgeous leaves that have almost like it looks like a hand, but it brings in a lot of tourists, and it's one of our trademark trees here in New Hampshire.